Enderman XP farming.
By the way, not me watching the. Am I actually that type of person who will literally forget about what I watched just a few minutes ago, if given the chance? Yes, I'm gonna watch it for a bit, so yeah. So now, guys, I actually forgot. Now I have everything. Yes, I am doing this tutorial and I actually did not listen at all. I am stupid. Lol, 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 lol. Chicken jockey. Steve. Love a chicken jockey. Dang, that was close. Barely survived. Yep. I don't know. I need this. I think the tutorial said put it here. I do not care about you. It said it like this. Just wait for it to fall. But a while ago, that was a good save. So guys, the tutorial said this. That I need to do this. So you're supposed to do it like this. Yep, I ain't doing that. It's mandatory. Now you're supposed to get your leaf. In my case, I'm using cherry leaves. And also I linked this. Hey. So guys, the thing you need to do is that the important part is guys, in the tutorial that they said that you need to go 2 blocks away from the end, 2 stacks actually. So I'll just so that's here's this. Now that I have made it to God, well, I don't care anymore. It just
Gonna be running around and killing the Enderman, so I make it big enough.
so it got a bit big enough. And thanks to a guy on YouTube who said this to me. I learned how to make this farm. Thank you for him. He said that you have to make it nice and big to make round around. Now this I don't know why I chose cherry, but this is what I POV mode generate and update. Happy guest. This mode then gives you happy guest. Now I think this is big enough. So guys, the thing, why did I have a cloud nose? I think 17 blocks. So this is 5 blocks high. 6. So you just need this to fill in all the corners until it's 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually 5. This will just be like, so I will just fast forward it. So the materials you need is 396 block. 396 blocks that isn't dirt and leaves like 320. Kaya by fireworks ready tayo. I will try. So now that I have finally went up, of course, sacrificing a few health, I will build this in. So guys, now that I have did the farm, I'm gonna show you it. So I'm gonna show you my farm that I made thanks to the link that I will be putting in the thanks to the link that I'll be putting. It took me a lot. I'm gonna hold my rockets because I know I'm stupid. It's working already. just put it like that. Dang it. Yeah, you just have to AFK here until Enderman spawn. That's the thing. And guys, I just found the reason why it wasn't working. The reason why it wasn't working is because of this. It despawned. I have to get it again. So I decided to use a method that is friendly. I don't need chest. Even though I said a while ago I did not use. It is not as efficient as you would think it was, but it gives you XP once in a while. Just let it pass. Just AFK for a bit. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Goodbye, everyone.